Malaysia is well known for its beautiful blend of nature and modernity, a colorful multiracial culture, and a delicious spread of foods. Beyond its tourism attractions, the country is also a popular location in which many global brands house their operations, thanks to an abundance of natural resources and the availability of a multilingual skilled workforce. Amidst a significant presence of foreign funds and investments, Malaysia is home to many local success stories, where homegrown companies have emerged to compete on a global stage. One such company is Technical Sdn Bhd, Malaysia's leading producer of adhesive, sealant, and waterproofing products. We literally have a product for every bonding and sealing application. Well, almost. We are an ISO 9001 and 14001 Management Systems certified company. Being a responsible corporate citizen, we comply with international business social compliance and sustainability initiatives. We believe in dynamic value-adding innovations and technologies, and over the years have invested extensively in R&D, state-of-the-art machineries and equipment, and a highly trained workforce. Our integrated and automated production lines continue to produce high-quality products that meet or exceed international standards under the VTech brand name that is widely used for home DIY and furnishing applications, hardware, construction and building, and industrial and automotive applications. We are the largest producer of MS polymer adhesives and sealants in Southeast Asia, offering a comprehensive range of advanced, high-performance, and environmentally friendly products. VTech's green products contain low volatile organic compounds, low VOC, and is compliant with, amongst others, South Coast Air Quality Management District (SCA-QMD) Rule 1168 and Singapore Green Building Product Labelling Scheme (SGBPLS). From humble beginnings in 2002, we now operate 4 manufacturing plants catering to a global market that encompasses over 70 countries. We take pride in our VTech brand, which is today recognized worldwide by professionals as the preferred choice for various bonding and sealing applications. For most people, the presence of our products may seem subtle or even invisible in their daily lives. Nevertheless, we quietly and passionately serve our customers and users in a wide range of applications. From behind the scenes, VTech holds everything firmly together. VTech, formulated for the professionals, certified by nature.